had once been valued more gets replaced by the concept of efficiency. Soldiers marching on, convincing themselves of the new ideology of money. Would it be right to say that the day is bright in the fitful rain of a sunny day?
I've labeled this video as urgent because we have just less than 24 hours until the launch of MetaStrike, which is surely going to the moon. It is going to be a first-person shooter metaverse. That means that you'd see the player or the character moving around in first person. All right, you're going to see him moving around with a weapon, and at times you're going to have the camera just showing the weapon as though you are the one personally holding the weapon, and that is a first-person shooter game. And this is going to be virtual reality role playing. That means that you have the experience, the feel of the metaverse. And then also we have seen the trailer already. So with the introduction, it's going to be blockchain based. The players can have a gun collection. You build map to fight, steal NFT from other places. Interesting, stealing NFTs, right? And there's a first-person shooter. Like I said, includes many features like FPS games, objects as weapons, characters. And this is also a PvE, player versus environment. They can react to the environment, things around. And they're going to have 3 game modes. The zombie mode, where you'd have zombies attacking you, and you try to shoot them or scare them off, whatever you do to take them away from you. And then you have the team mode, where you partner with other players, and then deathmatch, where you battle against other players. So this, for instance, is a deathmatch scene where he shoots at other players, right? And it says build your own map to play and earn. There's also play to earn. You can earn some of the tokens. NFT boxes, I believe some are going on sale on the marketplace, where you can buy and also sell later on if you please. For NFT equipment, these are some of the equipments that can go up for sale. Really nice guns, well decorated. It's just a piece of art. The metaverse of MetaStrike. Yeah, so you have the chance to see how, or the 3D environment is, and also the dual token mode. They're going to have 2 tokens, a model that comes with 2 tokens, MTS and MTT. And we can see here that the MTS has a max supply of 565 million, and then the MTT is uncapped. And MetaStrike in-game tokens called MTT is the main play to earn reward token. It unlocks new maps, upgrade weapons, and so on and so forth. But MTS is for in-game activities used to advance maps with rare NFT drops, staking to receive weekly rewards. So that is the difference between the two. The symbol for MTS is this, and then MTT is going to be this. This looks like USDT. Yeah. So that's it. And for the roadmap, I think this was a little bit postponed, the entire IDO thing. We have the second quarter, where we have the open beta version, human artificial intelligence, weapon search and diving modes. Until we get to the fourth quarter of this year, which is the full 3D model, it's going to have new NFTs, Metaverse 1.0. This is the team behind. You can also click on meet the team to research more about them. These are covering the project, Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, Market Watch, and so on. Investors and partners, they're going to partner with all these ones. X21 is almost everywhere. They must really have a lot of money, right, to be pushing some of these projects. So on Twitter, on social media, we have 73.7, and then for Discord, you can continue to the Discord app. That is, if you have it. If you don't have it, you would have to download. On Telegram, 42.4k, and then also you can go through their Medium to have a broader understanding of the project, where they introduce the VR metaverse, right? And then they are going to be on 2 platforms, 2 IDO platforms. Paid Ignition, the launch price is going to be 5 cents. They are raising 142k from Paid Ignition, and then the auction start date is going to be 12th January, 11 a.m. UTC. I know people are going to ask me, where do I buy the token? You would either have to join the ID on these platforms, either Paid Ignition. Also, I would recommend that you join their Telegram, as they will have the best answers for you. Maybe they might have changed something, or they might be doing something new that I haven't covered in the video. So join the Telegram pages and ask your questions where you can buy them. But therefore, to the best of my knowledge, you can buy them on the platforms, the ideal platforms, either paid ignition or CDFI. Can connect your wallet and make sure you have staked amount, the amount of CDFI required to join MetaStrike. If not, then you'd have to wait for the PancakeSwap listing and then you buy from there. So when it's listed on PancakeSwap, go to their Telegram, get the contract address, go to pancakeswap.finance, paste the token address, and then swap it for BUSD. All right. So that's just how you buy it, right? So it's going to be 5 cents as well on CDFI. We have 15 hours, like I said, it's less than 24 hours. You have 15 hours, 53 minutes more on CDFI, and I believe either tomorrow or on the 12th is going to launch on PancakeSwap. So keep this on your watch list. Very soon when we start our notify market, some of these are going to be there. You'll be able to track when they are coming. Some of them you're going to receive SMS alerts on them, so you know when to get ready to buy them, right? So that's it for today. That's the covering that I've made on MetaStrike. You should watch out for it because it's an easy 10x. All right, thank you very much for watching. This was Dan Legend as always, and I'll see you in the next 100x video. Bye.